This 2018 Ford Escape recently had some unwanted house guests inside, and there's still one in there that didn't get the eviction notice, so let's have a look around. Alright guys, well obviously the first step here is to dispose of the body. And yes, if you're wondering, this is the first time I've ever found anything dead inside a vehicle. And then as you can imagine, the inside smelled disgusting, as I think the mouse had been there for about a week. So I'm running my ozone machine to take care of that smell. And then while I work on the exterior for a few hours, the ozone will have a chance to dissipate before I start on the inside.